Welcome to this tutorial on how to do custom CSS on a Wix website. Custom CSS allows you to take your website design to the next level by adding unique styles and layouts. To get started, you need to have a Wix website and some basic knowledge of CSS. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to the editor. Click on the settings icon and then click on Custom Code. This will take you to the Custom Code panel where you can add your custom CSS code. Next, click on the Add Custom Code button and select CSS from the drop-down menu. Give your code a name and then add your CSS code in the text area provided. You can add CSS code to style specific elements on your website such as text, images, and buttons. To target specific elements on your website, you need to know the class or ID of the element. You can find this information by using the Wix editor's built-in inspector tool. The inspector tool allows you to select an element on your website and view its class and ID. Once you have added your CSS code, click on the Apply button to apply the changes to your website. You can then preview your website to see the changes. Some best practices to keep in mind when using custom CSS on Wix include using the inspector tool to target specific elements, using classes instead of IDs, and keeping your CSS code organized and concise. By following these steps and best practices, you can take your Wix website design to the next level with custom CSS. Custom CSS allows you to add unique styles and layouts to your website, making it stand out from other websites. In conclusion, custom CSS is a powerful tool that can help you create a unique and professional-looking website on Wix. With this tutorial, you now have the knowledge and skills to get started with custom CSS on your Wix website.